Hello and welcome to another video. Today we are reviewing the Bauer Flexible 24-inch ring light. This is going to be a very inexpensive budget ring light. It's only $20, and later I'm going to show you how I turn this $20 small bright ring light into a portable ring light you can attach to your tripod or whatever and take it wherever you want with you for less than $30. Okay, so I bought two of these. One of them is on right now, and I will show you the different settings, and we'll go through and review this and tell you all about it. So this is your typical ring light where it's going to be good for vlogging, live streaming like Twitch or whatever, YouTube, of course. It can be used as a health and beauty light. There can be lots of uses for it, but typically it's a photography light. Be giving you some nice direct light to whatever you're filming directly in front of you. All right, so let's take this out of the box. All right, so here it is. This is the whole thing. It's really small, but it's great. It gives you a lot of light, a lot of options, and with the flexibility of it and putting it wherever you need to. It's got a clip right here. So if I was using my computer, I could clip it right up here, and then this could be shining right down on me. If you're using it with a smartphone, this end of it, and it comes with this, so you can pop this on the end here. There we go. Then this will expand. You can put your smartphone on it. Where's my phone? Right here. Phone right here. And then this will be able to move about, and then you can use your phone with the light. Okay, that's not what I use mine for, but maybe I will if I need to. Right now I just use it with my camera. All right, USB is how it plugs in. Any type of USB source will be fine. Doesn't matter really what. There's all the different speed charges out there and wattages and all that. Whatever you can find to plug this in will work just fine. All right, so here's our control on the USB wire. We've got our power button, and then our brightness up and down, and then this is the middle button here. Will control what type of light. Has a few different options. Doesn't really change color, but I mean it does, but not like you can't change it to any color you want. So this is, I like to use it on the bright white, kind of like the daylight bulb. Then this is more of a soft white, kind of like an older type of bulb would be, a little bit yellowish to it. All right, so this is like a bright white. This is more like a daylight bulb. And then this is the yellow or soft white. Okay, so I probably like this one the most. This is the daylight bulb. Okay, so as far as the brightness goes, I'm gonna do a demonstration on the daylight, bright white, whatever you wanna call it. Okay, so this is off. This is the lowest setting, and then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, that seems to be it. That's pretty bright, really bright. So 12 settings of brightness. That's pretty cool. It gets really nice and bright for a small light like that. You could do a video like this if you have no light around, like if it's dark, and you would still get a nice focus on your face or whatever object you are recording. Probably take this down to about halfway to where I think it looks best, but you know, be different in different situations. Like I said, it's fully flexible. You can turn it really easily for wherever you want to put it, wherever you want to clamp it. So it's a 24-inch arm. The flexible arm is 24 inches long. The bracket clip rotates 360 degrees. I guess that has 12 different brightness settings. The 3 different types of lights, USB powered, and it has the mobile phone holder on it, which is compatible with most smartphones. All right, so I got this at Best Buy for $19.99. I like it. It's very bright. It's very flexible. It's got the different brightness settings. One thing was the USB cord. I like that it's USB. That's cool. It's got a 3-foot cord on it, so it's not real long. So if you want it to go very far, you're going to have to plug it into a USB outlet and then plug that into like some sort of extension cord or something. So what I did, so I went to Walmart, or you can get these wherever, Best Buy or Amazon or whatever. You can get pretty small ones for pretty cheap. This little portable charger, which is basically one of the little power banks that you can get to charge your phone. So this was $5.88, I want to say. So any power bank is going to work to power this. This was a very inexpensive one. It was their ONN brand, so it's a cheap brand. It's one that's supposed to charge your phone like twice. So it's small and cheap, and I've used this probably for a couple of hours now on this light, and it's still charged 3/4 of the way. And even if it didn't last that long, you could just get a couple of these. So for this, I wrap this around my tripod. Put the light right there in the front, facing right at me. The cord is just hooked up to this. I can easily just take a tripod with the light and go wherever I want. And lighting in front. Alright, so overall I'm really impressed with this little light. It's great, it works for what I need it for. I know they have bigger ones, and I mean they could be easily up to like $200. But I haven't used one before, but I'm not sure why I would get something like that. This works great. It's a very even light, and it works great. And has enough adjustments on it. I mean, it doesn't have different colors, so that's probably one of the bigger things. If you want something that can turn blue or red or whatever, you're not going to get that from this product. But for 20 bucks, it's great. Add another $5 or $10, you can make it pretty much completely mobile. So like I said, I got this at Best Buy a couple weeks ago. It should still be there, I would think. If not, I'm sure you can find it somewhere. I'll leave a link below to wherever I can find it if you want to go check it out. And I hope you found this video helpful. Please leave a like and subscribe if you like this video. I would definitely appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.